Hey Bryce, hope you had a good weekend. Math assignment. So what we're gonna do, I left a folder at the school, at the office, with all of these lessons inside that I'm gonna have, and some graph paper for doing your work. And they also have one timing for each day. And I think, let's see, I made myself the same thing I left you, so let me see what your timing looks like here. Oh no, you know what? I don't think I put a timing inside yours. What I want you to do is this. I want you to watch the video. If you want to take notes on side A, you do not have to turn them in. But remember, side A always does help you with side B. So you can take notes on side A if you want. These are at the office. If you can't get a hold of these, let me know. I can help get them to you. And if you can't get them right away, that's fine. When you're done with side B, I want you to take a picture of it and hand it in as your response, or if that's a tricky thing, we can hand the paper in when we get together again. But the only thing you are responsible for is side B, just like when we're in class. Okay? So today, side A. Side A. Measure this line segment using, remember, the little dash dash means inches. So we go to the inches side of our ruler. Put the first measuring mark on the first dot, and I can see the second dot is at 3 inches. Draw a 4 1/4 inch. Remember, the little dot dot means inches. Line segment. So 4 1/4. So we line it up again. Sorry, my dog's chewing on a bone in the background, and whoop, my camera's slipping too. We'll see if it stays. I'll move some things around on my counter, make sure it stays. Okay, my dog's chewing on a bone in the background, and so you're probably going to be listening to that the whole time. 1 1/4 inch. Sorry, 4 1/4 inch. So 4, and then this halfway between the 4 and 5 is 4 1/2, and then halfway between the 4 and 4 1/2 is a longer line, and that's 4 1/4. And if you take a look at it, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those in every inch. So that's why that line is a little longer. 4 1/4. A pie has 8 equal pieces. Bob ate 3/8 of the pie. Linda ate 1/8 of the pie. And Marilyn ate 2/8 of the pie. Divide the pie into 8 equal pieces. So we're going to take this pie right here. We're going to cut it in half, and we're going to get 2. We're going to cut those in half, and we're going to get 4. And if we double 4, if we cut each of these in half again, we'll get 8. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bob ate 3/8 of the pie. So we're supposed to write the first initial of each child's name on the pieces they ate. So this is Bob, Bob, Bob. He ate 3 out of 8. Linda ate 1 out of 8. And Marilyn ate 2 out of 8. 2/8. What fractional part of the pie is left for John? How many out of 8 are John's. 1, 2 out of 8, right? So the way we write that, because they need it as a fraction, not just the number 2, we write 2, remember the line means out of 8. 2 out of 8, 2/8. I have 3 $1 bills and 4 $100 bills. How much money do I have? So 4 hundreds, 3 ones, right? So we need a 4 in the hundreds place, but they didn't say I had any tens. I have 0 tens, but it's important to put that in. We can't just put a 3 next, because then we would have 43. We need to put that placeholder in. We have 4 hundreds, 0 tens, and 3 in the ones spot. So how much money do I have? $403. And make sure you get that dollar sign, because $403 is very different than 403 cents. Peter was born in 1931. Nils was born in 1965. And Anna was born in 1952. How old will each person be on this year's birthday? Well, what year is this year? 2020, right? This is where I want you to pull out your graph paper. So, Peter was born in 1931. 2020, use the squares in your graph paper to line this up. We're going to figure out the difference between 2020 and 1931. A lot of borrowing here. Now, difference means subtract, and that'll get us how many years it is between 1931 and now. Bigger bottom, go to the first neighbor and borrow 1 and bring it home. 10 take away 1 is 9. Now we have a bigger bottom, go to the first neighbor, can't do it. Go to the second neighbor, borrow 1, bring it, well, can't bring it all the way home, make that a 10. Now we can borrow 1 and bring it home. 11 take away 3 is 8. 9 take away 9 is 0. And 1 take away 1 is 0. How old is Peter? 89. Now, this is complicated subtraction. I don't mind at all if you check your answers with a calculator, because this is a lot of borrowing. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for Nils. Nils was born in 1965. 2020, that's the year now, take away 1965. Bigger bottom, gotta borrow 1, bring it home. 10 take away 5 is 5. Bigger bottom, gotta go all the way to this neighbor and borrow 1, and borrow 1 again and bring it home. 11 take away 6 is 5. 9 take away 9 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. Nils is 55. And Anna was born in 1952. $20 minus 1952. Okay, bigger bottom, go to the neighbor and borrow 1 and bring it home. 10 take away 2 is 8. Bigger bottom, go to this neighbor and borrow 1. Borrow 1 and bring it home. 11 take away 5 is 6. 9 take away 9 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. Anna is 68. Like I said, this is more complicated